We just dropped off that first drop off to BJ's. Now we at Aldi's. Getting ready to pick up the second order for the day. So I'm just jigging off a little Instacart right now while I'm working on some. I want to share with you guys what I'm actually working on. I got a lot of things that I got my hands in right now. So I apologize for some of you guys that are just doing Instacart. I apologize if you feel like I'm not super just focused on Instacart. I need you to understand that basically what I'm trying to get the people that that like the grind to understand, it's all about diversifying. And I say that so much. I know people tired of hearing me saying it, but really that's like what it is. It's like, I remember having so many ideas and wanting to be involved in so many type of different things 10 years ago, when the world wasn't set up for you to do 10 million things 10 years ago. But now you can do all of those things, really, when it comes down to it. And we're going to talk about that in the next video. It's about time management and how you utilize your time. That's going to have a lot to do with how you get your money. Whether you wasting time doing something that's not getting you money, or you spending a lot of time doing something that's only getting you a little bit of money, or you're not using the time you should be using to do some of these other things that could be getting you money, or could be bringing in passive income, or could be doing other things to go along with the money you're making. So, like I told you guys before, this Instacart pay drop and all that stuff, like, I only talked about it because that's what was going on, but I'll be honest with you, it really didn't affect me. And I'm not saying it like it affected me in a sense, but it didn't really, though, because I don't have to do Instacart. And that's what I want you guys to understand. Like, don't be put in a box to where if this don't work out, you can't do nothing. For all of y'all people that's not part of the grind gang, that's just coming to this channel and you want to just get to what my tip is real quick, just skip through the video and find what you're looking for and skip on up out of here, man, because this is for people who really want to get this. Or if all the little stuff that I'm talking about or that I'm doing, if it's not entertaining for you, I apologize. I mean, I don't even apologize. I mean, it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? It's my channel. Go to another one if you don't like this. This the Road 100 experience. Shout out to the grind gang.
Ain't fucking nothing about this heat. Ain't nothing but money around there. See me while I'm out here pounding